Freunden wollten lieber mich.
Hello.
Hi, mein Lieber, alles gut?
How are you?
I'm fine. Oh, I thought you can speak German, you know?
No, I can't, unfortunately.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Where are you from, my mate?
I'm from Kazakhstan.
You're from Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
Nice.
What about you?
Ever heard of Balochistan? Heard of Balochistan?
What?
Not really.
I am from Balochistan.
Where is it? I mean,
No, it's not an independent state. It is occupied in three countries like Iran, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. So I was born in a part of Pakistan. Originally, I am from there, but I'm living in Germany.
I see. You live in Germany. Yeah, I see. Okay.
Well, that's no.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah. Now, I study chemistry.
I hated chemistry when I was in the school, man. I haven't understand what the fuck is CHO, H2O, and O2. You enjoying study chemistry?
Yeah, like I wouldn't say I love it, but it's quite interesting.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
If you don't have enjoyment in that, I will
Yeah.
recommend you that you give up.
Of
you know,
course,
because
of
enjoyment.
course.
And
Yeah,
you
yeah,
made
yeah.
a good one, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye bye.
Hello, beats.